I didn't even know what cervical cancer was. I had never heard of it before, and most people are familiar with breast cancers and the commonly known ones, but I hadn't heard of it before. I didn't know what it was, and obviously it was a shock to know that at my age I could have cancer, because it's obviously something that you usually associate with being older. And you take for granted that things like that would never happen to you at any age, forget about it at a younger age, so it was a huge shock again.
Did you know that all women are at risk for cervical cancer? And it occurs most often in women over age 30.
Well, worldwide, cervical cancer is still a leading cause of cancer death in women.
It is important to understand that virtually all cases of cervical cancer are caused by infection of certain types of a virus called human papillomavirus, or HPV.
However, with regular screening tests and follow-up, cervical cancer is the easiest female cancer to prevent.
There are screening recommendations where women will get what is called a pap smear, so we will know if there is inflammation in the cervix or even cancer.
Current guidelines recommend starting pap smears at age 21, and then after that, it depends on whether or not your results were normal, but your doctor should come up with a protocol that's appropriate for you.
There is also a major medical breakthrough that can reduce your risk of cervical cancer. For girls and young women, ages 11 through 26, there are 2 HPV vaccines now available that prevent infection with the 2 HPV types that are responsible for 70% of cervical cancer cases worldwide. These vaccines have proven highly effective.
Talk to your doctor, make sure that based on your risk you get the proper screening. Early detection will prevent this from advancing as a disease or kill you even.
Take time to learn all you can about cervical cancer. Cervical cancer can be prevented.